Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free website, Audit of effectwatches.com. I'm on a homepage, and I really like the quality image of the product in your hero image. It shows right away what you're selling. You're selling watches. It's kind of very nice, luxurious watches. You've got tagline, call to action that is linked to your bestsellers collection. Another tagline here, which is perfect. I love your logo. It's kind of simple, but really matches your niche. A very user-friendly navigation, and the font matches the logo as well, which is perfect. You've got COVID response information, which means that the website is up to date, so that's perfect. Shop the best sellers, featured products underneath, very nicely displayed. The website looks professional, very nice. We're a boutique brand featuring a curated collection of design-centric watches, bracelet, and luxe accessories. Click the image below to explore our collections. Okay, very nice. Okay, perfect. So different collections, architectural watches, minimalist watches, very nicely organized, designed website, and it's very user friendly and very nicely optimized for the conversion. Couples bracelets. I mean, couples bracelets. So it doesn't show bracelets, but okay, it's still couple. Okay. Okay, so I suppose these are your brand ambassadors. Oh no, these are the products. Okay, I see. Very nice. Okay, I thought the accent was on the watch, but obviously she's wearing a bracelet. Okay, but still looks nice. Okay, a few reviews. Instagram feed. Very nicely organized images. I love the orange of that matches the watch. So yeah, very nice. Kind of you kind of have certain branding which you stick to, which is really important on social media. You open the social media links in new tabs, which is perfect. The collection page looks great. The products are nicely laid out. They look very professional. The images that are the same height, so they display in line. Perfect. You've got only a certain part of the products on sale, which is also important. So that's perfect. The product page looks really good. You've got add to cart above the fold and other trust signals that help your conversion rate. The price, the color, also switches. The variants have assigned colors, which is perfect. I would also add a more SEO-friendly title, for example, such as spinner watch or spinner men's watch, spinner woman's watch. So it's a little bit more optimized. It's a little bit more SEO-friendly and specific. I love this little video here. It shows how the watch looks on the wrist, how big it is. So that's perfect. The product description is user-friendly, is detailed. And you've got additional photos here, which is really nice. Okay, so you mentioned there's spinning motion, so that's good that you explain, because not everybody is reading description in detail. So it's good that you include this kind of visual explanation about all the features of the product. That also improves your conversion. Yeah, the product page looks absolutely perfect. You get free shipping and satisfaction guarantee, free shipping worldwide, full refund. Yeah, I mean, you clearly put a lot of work and it pays off, because It's very, very trustworthy website. I would feel comfortable buying from you. The prices are really, really attractive. You feel it's very engaging website. You feel very approachable. It feels like there is a team behind the brand. The website isn't kind of left on its own. So yeah, it's very, very impressive. The contact us page looks great. You've got professional email address, hyperlinked, which is perfect. The footer navigation is fantastic as well. Your SEO score is 53 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is nicely optimized. I would keep it under the maximum character limit. So it's 65 for meta title and 165 for meta description. So make sure to stick to this character limit. Otherwise, it will be cut off in the search results. The heading structure looks perfect. You've got H1, H2, H3, which is great. Your website displays really nice on mobile, on all the devices, all screen sizes. So the website is responsive and mobile friendly. So that's perfect. If you liked this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And if you'd like to learn how to optimize your website for conversion, how to drive more free traffic, please book a free chat with a Shopify expert. This free, non-obligation 15-minute chat is available for everyone who got our audit. So don't miss this chance to speak with a Shopify expert. Book your chat today. Also, don't forget to join my Shopify Empire Masterclass. It's over 200 in-depth videos showing you how to optimize your website, how to skyrocket your sales with handy tips and tricks, prepared by Shopify expert with over 12 years experience in shopping online. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.